God just bless us is what just happened. Is he carrying a turkey? That's a freaking turkey! Go, baby!
We got time to go to Waffle House, man. It ain't but 6:40. It's 6:40 right now.
We done did it.
Let's go look at this tree that you killed. Or rather, my bumper you killed. We are out here in Brundage, Alabama. We got 2 birds in the tree. Just got them roosted. There were 2 hens, 2 big long beards. Looks to be at least 2.5, 3-year-old birds. Good beards on them. But we're out here gonna get ready for in the morning. So hopefully we'll be able to get them. But I wanted to show y'all this. So as we are, I'm rushing. Saw the birds out here. I was actually trying to go ahead and get on them, but we got the little one with us, so couldn't do that. Me and Alyssa couldn't both, so it was just me. I told Alyssa, get in the truck, back up, get it out quick, because they were like literally right here off the side of the field here. So Alyssa was backing up very, very swiftly. Like, I don't know if you can see that oak tree or back there. She backed up pretty hard. She ripped the whole bumper off. So, yeah. What you think about it?
I'm really sorry.
Got the whole bumper is gone.
Not the whole thing.
Just about. You got to replace the whole thing.
Yeah, I do. And then it's a shame they don't do bumpers in half sections.
Yeah, that's not going to happen. And then little squirt here. What are you drinking? Sweet tea? What did you think when the mama hit the tree? Is that pretty crazy?
Mm-hmm.
Did you go, whoa?
She got out of the truck and she said, you bumped a tree.
So we'll be back in the morning. We got them roosted. We got a good spot to set up. We know where they're going to, hopefully where their feet are going to hit the ground. So we're going to be back in the morning.
We've only said that 400 times before, and their feet never even landed anywhere close to
they
where
normally fly wherever they want it's going to be.
supposed to.
But we'll see. Hopefully we got where we know what tree they're in. We know about where to set up. So we'll see how it goes. So y'all will see us in the morning. We're going to try to kill this turkey. Huh?
You're driving.
I'm driving from here on out. So we'll be back in the morning. Hopefully we can get on them. All right, so we're in here. This is the property, big peanut field. The birds were roosted roughly right in here. So what we're going to do is ease straight down this road, get out in this field about probably 100, 150 yards, and then shoot across, and then get over here. We want to set up on this point, right there on that point, up in that privet. When they fly down, they should be in our laps. We'll set the decoys up right over here in that corner. That way they can't see it from the tree, but they'll see it when they're on the ground. And that way, if we can't get a shot once they hit the ground, we'll be able to get them right there. So. They gonna see that decoy. Come on, yes, sir. Where is he?
probably should not be running right now.
It's all good.
What we got here at least?
Yeah.
Hey man.
That's what I'm talking about.
Hey,
Nice
man.
bird.
We got a triple. We got a triple. Hopefully we get a double. Hopefully Cody figures out where that bird just went. Oh my God.
So hey, what just happened? Tell me what just happened.
God just bless us is what just happened, Chris. We textbook morning. Got set up where Cody wanted. Chris brought some decoys that brought him in. Is he carrying a turkey? That's a freaking turkey, man! That's a freaking turkey! Go, baby! Oh my God! That's what I've been sick about this whole time. Okay, now we can finally celebrate. Heck yes! Heck yes! What is he doing? Come over here. I'm pregnant. I can't go into labor right now. Chris! Oh my gosh. And he don't even know this turkey has 3 beards. He's gonna flip. Let's go see him. Let's go see him. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm slinging. I don't even know what. It's gonna be all over me. You didn't know Cody was on the track team, huh?
He was streaking across that cotton field.
I started running, and then I felt the weight of my lower stomach. I said, okay, not that nonsense. Oh my God. How freaking picture perfect. You're not gonna believe it when you see the beard on this thing.
This has got a dang rope on it, son.
Let me rephrase that. Beards.
What?
3! 3! Chris said.
3?
That thing's got freaking 3 beards.
Oh God.
Oh, I just got to
I just ran that one down. He was around the corner.
Where was he hit?
I don't know. Look at that. I hit him here on that second shot. Lord, I had to. No! No! Oh God. Oh my God.
Chris said he didn't know you were on the track team.
Oh, look at that. That's your first triple beard, baby.
That's my first any multi-beard
Yeah.
ever.
Remember that one we killed out here?
You got a triple beard over there.
Just look at the hooks on him too. He's a pretty dang good bird. This one's a younger bird. See?
Yeah. God.
But man, he's got a dang rope on him too. Look at that.
We didn't feel right celebrating without you.
I won't say he was the one on the right. He was probably the one leading. He was on the left.
Holy cow.
I was about to throw up. I'm so freaking shook up. Oh my gosh.
Can't ask for nothing more.
Our first double.
Yeah, I know. That's never happened during duck. I started running with you, and then I felt my stomach, and I was like, I'm gonna stop.
Look at that, man. Gold tips.
He's beautiful.
How's Austin in there?
He's good.
His first turkey hunt.
We took off running with you, and then I said, better not hurt him.
Oh man.
I can't believe
You got a triple beard. Whoa! Oh my gosh, dude, look at that.
somebody got it.
A
It's
freaking
just
triple beard. Man.
And your plan worked freaking too.
Perfect. I just wish that little cutout is absolutely perfect in there. I don't know who did that, but I guess the farmer bush hauled it. But if we could have been on this side, it wouldn't have made a difference.
Dude, I think we were in the right spot because I see two dead turkeys on the ground. I say everything went freaking swell.
Hell, their heads are lined up. If we both shoot at the same time, we're gonna kill them both.
But I think that's why
Absolutely obliterated.
But I think that's why the one in the back didn't get hit good.
I think I'm the one that hit him in the back, and I hit him low.
I don't know.
Somehow.
I don't know who. I don't matter. There's two dead ones, but I was thinking, man, he's counting down, and they're gonna be lined up just as soon as he gets to three.
It was, and then I didn't want to tell you, hold on and mess you up. So, gosh, I'm dizzy as a goat. We got time to go to Waffle House, man. You ready? We load these things up.
All I know is I'm
It
not.
ain't but
I'm not
640. It's 640 right now.
We done did it. Chris drove all
I
the
gotta
way
get
down.
all my stuff.
We
My
done
gun's
did
over
it.
there, my phone and my
I
car.
know. I left them.
Everything's
I
over
left
there.
one back here.
We gotta go get it.
Those Millennium freaking seats are game changers, though. You know it?
I about threw up. Yeah, they are. they like that made the whole.
Oh, I I was like, I don't think I've ever been that comfortable when like posted up like that for so long. And to have a belly too and do it, that wasn't bad at all.
Those chairs are game changers,
Amazing.
man.
We'll leave that here.
Yeah, the longer you can sit comfortable like that,
Amazing.
you're gonna kill more turkeys.
Amazing.
You the man, Jake the Snake, Henrietta, Henny Penny. Thank you, sweetie. Dude, for whatever reason, I think this looks just like a young Jake as far as his size.
Yeah.
And that
gets
them.
Like,
They're like, I'm fixing to go over there and whoop that little punk's butt. You know what I mean?
And he's fans beat up, so
it
looks like he's already whooped.
Yeah, exactly.
Hang around it.
That is the reason those jokers came running over here.
And hey, they had to, from where we were standing, they had to crest that a little bit just to even see him, didn't they? But well, hey, hearing that hen, what they thought was a hen, which was actually Cody Hall over there.
I made him talk.
Chris called it.
Made him come on down.
We gotta get us one of them avian.
He said, hit it soft. Just hit it soft.
That was perfect, brother. That was
Someone should have told me to hit the oak tree soft.
All right,
that is so cool.
I'm freaking hot, man. We come out here yesterday evening, drove down the dirt road coming out here really to just take photos and just be with her daughter Addie, and came out, come up to that little point, and these two big guys was out there with two hens, and they were just bowed up doing their thing out here in the middle of this they about to plant peanuts out here. I haven't had birds on this place all year. Ain't been nothing.
I mean, we've come out here at least 10 times and not seen a thing. Yeah. And so I came ready to look for arrowheads with Addie and not even hear the word turkey.
Yep.
You came running. Yeah. I mean, like full speed back to the truck.
I can't get over.
And said, load Addie back up and get out of sight. There are turkeys
I was about to miss that. So then she's backing up. When she did, she smoked a big old oak tree with my truck and absolutely demolished the back end of it. So that's why we got insurance.
Yeah. So these turkeys, probably at the end of the day, between the babysitter and the deductible, they're about $600.
About $600 turkey. So, you know, South Alabama, you can't beat that. Doubled up. If you're doing that in the South, you're doing something. I'm 100 years and hardly ever doubled up with some folks. Heck yeah.
Austin got his first turkey too.
Let's go look at this tree that you killed. Or rather, my bumper you killed.
All right, y'all. As Cody said, I finally got a tell on myself for what happened. So now's the moment of truth. He stressed me out, okay? In my defense, I have a 3-year-old running around yelling mommy, and then I have my husband coming running down this dirt road over here saying,
always the man's fault. If you don't know, it's always the husband. It's always your fault.
Get back in the truck, load her up, and go back up. Get out of here. There's turkeys coming. So what did I do? I threw her in the truck, I threw myself in the truck, and I threw the truck into the tree. And I thought this was my trophy for what I done. The real trophy's right here. And now this is just a memory. It's like a plaque.
Yeah.
If we got it mounted, we could put it together.
That at the base of just having both strutting. That would be pretty sweet. Looking into the chrome. Yeah.
You know, I'll be honest. I thought when I hit that tree, it was just the ball hitch. But then I got out here and I was like, that's a little bit more than the ball hitch.
Yeah, the whole back end. But that's why we got insurance. We're gonna see what that deductible is here pretty soon, and that'll be coming out your check, I guess. Huh? Okay. That's out of our check. But we got 2 big old birds, triple beard here, and then a good 10-inch or so. Can't believe it happened.
Blessed.
Very blessed.
Beyond blessed.
Pretty morning. It started off cloudy and the sun's kind of popping out now. Good morning. We're gonna get back and get these things cleaned up and taken care of.
Fried up later.
Fried up later.
Roll Tide.
That's right. Appreciate y'all watching.